Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is another vlogmas. It's my December when I was very active for now and made several videos. I'm so inspired and I hope you guys like it that we have this vlogmas this year. Yes, it's not every day, but I'm trying. And today I wanted to record this video because I wanted to show you several of my new items, and I think it's very good items. I can recommend them. It's just the season for those, so I just want you to have a look because maybe it's something that you will really like I did. So write in the comments, by the way, how are you? Are you getting ready to the holidays? And yes, let's get started. Basically, I got two pairs of shoes from VIVAIA, which I am a big fan of and friend, you know. I already got several pairs from them before and collaborated with them, and I think that they are amazing. They suit to my feet. My feet is wide feet. I usually say it in all of my videos, so it's not so easy to find a comfortable shoes which will look classy, sophisticated, suitable to all the outfits, and also comfortable to walk. And now when I saw those ones, I was just amazed. Those shoes are called Cassie. They are a new model, I think. I didn't see them before, and when I saw them I thought, oh my god, I need them, because this is model, it's like sneakers but with a wedge here, like a higher insole. Look at this, how it looks from inside. So you basically can be a little bit taller and it will look like you have a sneakers. This is very good news for the petite girls, the same like I am, because I'm 158 centimeters and sometimes I feel like I want to wear sneakers and it suits to my outfits. Usually I have a costumes or trousers or jeans, and I don't want to make it with a high heel, for example. It can't work with some uncomfortable shoes, so I need something. And this one is a bonus because here you become taller, like almost 5 centimeters or 3 inches. And also they made of the washable fabric. It's so easy to open it here on the sides. They are comfortable to wear, and inside you can or put your own sole, so if you don't want to have this heel feeling, or you can use this one. I definitely will use this one. It's comfortable. I already tried them, I already used them, and they are just what I want. And you can wash them also in the machine. I will use them a lot to work. Mine are in size 39 because I used to buy 38.5 from VIVAIA, but recently I started to go more up. I think the shoes are the same, it's probably my feet. You need to check size guide where they write all the measurements for your feet, and also my feet is more wide feet and swollen sometimes in the evening, so I need to go up in a size. I will link all pairs down below, and don't forget that you have my discount code SMBBF for 10% discount site-wide. And another pair which I wanted to show you, it's actually heel boots. That was my also problem. It's so difficult to find heels which you can use on daily life in like 8 hours working shift, for example, when you can walk, run, stand all day and you will not have any pain in the heels. And this is it. The heel is wide and stable, and the boot is so light. And what amazed me about it, you will never believe, I have a very sensitive skin on my ankles. I can't stand the higher boots so long. I need to have some sock inside, or it's irritating usually and it hurts. And this one, I hope you can see, it's so soft. Fabric here, it's so soft, and I think it's actually made for those people like me who have sensitive skin. You can see how it looks. I will try to show you closer. Also, there is a strap which you can adjust to your ankle, so it will be the most comfortable. Of course, we have also comfortable socks because VIVAIA is the most comfortable shoes. Here is this more square toe for those like me again who has a wide feet. Is perfect. perfect, and also bonus for those who maybe have bunions. For you also it will be nice because the toes will not be squeezed. They are very easy to style, very comfortable, and those are water repellent, so it will be dry, your feet will be dry if you will be under the rain. We actually have raining for several days, and I will use them today with a great pleasure. And those one I actually took in the size 38.5, and I actually could take 39 also because they are not so big. I wanted to have them with socks, but they are kind of okay, like on the line. But if I would take 39, it would be also good. So those were my new shoes from VIVAIA. Don't forget again my discount code SMBBF, and we will come to another unboxing. Another part of the video is I've been to HERMES and got as present, first present, like it's early Christmas present from me to me, and I just got an email that the thing that I ordered came. So I had to go and buy it, even though I didn't expect it, to kind of spend money on it. And we'll start. It's actually two things there. I bought other thing, very spontaneous. So here we have two testers of the perfumes. My sales associate, she's so nice. She always puts me some nice testers. It's Velvet Tonka, both of them the same. I don't think that I tried it before. Let's do it together. Don't remember it, at least. Don't feel anything. Very fresh. I would say it's like will be suitable to spring also. Nice, like some flowerish. I like this. It's more fresh. Then sometimes it can be really harsh. I don't like heavy perfumes. Really like it. I recommend you to try it if you like also the fresh perfumes. Then I will take a smaller box. So this one was a spontaneous thing, because when I came to pick up another item which is still there, we were talking with my sales associate about what I would like to maybe purchase in future, if I have some wishes, like small pieces, and this thing, she said actually, oh, actually we have it, do you want to see it? I said, of course, then I can have a look just right away. And she went and she brought it for me. I chose the size which I like, which I would prefer, because it was options, but I will explain now when I open it. And so I had to buy it already. I wanted to buy it. I don't have to do anything. I'm not buying things only to get a bag or something, but I just love everything that I buy from HERMES, and we will make a small unboxing here. It's a ring. I will write how it's called because I didn't get prepared. I just know that I have a necklace farandole. I will put a picture, and this it has another name, but it's similar. It's Suit Street. I will show you like it is closer. I hope my camera focuses. And this ring, it was in several sizes, but I decided that I want to have it on this finger, on the big one. I think it's really cool to have it here. How to show you from one side? Yeah, and it will suit to my necklaces from. And I think it suits actually good, even though I have a gold ring here. It's my marriage and engagement and marriage rings, but this one is a little bit like extra. Also, I have a watch from the Cartier, and they are in white and gold and silver metal, so it suits all the mix of metals. I usually like to mix metals. I think it's interesting. It's no problem for me, and that's why I love it. And I always wanted to have a ring on this finger. And one more thing, which actually I ordered before, and maybe some people will think I'm crazy, because I'm this person. If I like something, I buy again and again the same thing. Some of you know what is it for the box. I just recently bought similar item in another color, but I'm like that. Classical, stable on my style. I use them a lot. I love them, and of course It is a belt, it is a Kelly belt, one more Kelly belt. And this time it was black with palladium, we need to open it, palladium metal. And look, it's actually good for, suits to my new ring also. My black belt with golden metal, it's quite old. I bought it long time ago, I think like 2019 maybe, or 20, somewhere. So it's like 5-6 years, and it's, yeah, I use it all the time, like a lot, like most usable belt, and it even starts to get, you know, easier to become bigger, like stretches a little bit. So I decided to go for another black, but this time with palladium, which will suit to my black Birkin and which will suit to all of my silver details or white gold details. I know that I will use it also a lot. We can see my collection of belts now. Now it's 4, 2 black ones with different hardware, 1 a tube and 1 gold with gold. So now this was my first Kelly belt with palladium hardware. I still didn't take out the stickers, but I will do it later. Now I'm thinking if I should get also a tube color Kelly belt with palladium hardware, because I also love it. I use it a lot. I think that less I use the gold one for now, but it also suits to my another Kelly bag, and of course I will use it more. I use it in summer, sometimes in winter also. It's good with all black outfit, for example. This one, I think it's also, there are some outfits when you want to have a silver necklace and you don't want to mix too much, and so I will show you closer the quality if you didn't see the quality of the Hermes belts, so you can see it how it looks. It's written Hermes there, and basically you know that you can change the length of these belts. My favorite belts. So this was my today's vlogmas. I hope you liked it. Write me in the comments what you liked most. I will go for a Christmas walk again. Oh, it's before Christmas period and everybody go to restaurants, meeting friends, celebrating, and I'm also into the season. I hope you also have a good season before Christmas and New Year. And I wish you a very, very happy holidays, and I see you in my next one. Bye bye.